Managing your money wisely is one of the most essential life skills, yet it's a topic many of us learn little about until adulthood. At the heart of personal finance are two fundamental tools: checking accounts and savings accounts. Whether you're managing daily expenses, setting aside money for future goals, or thinking about growing your wealth, these accounts serve as the foundation of sound financial management. In this guide, we'll explore how checking and savings accounts work, their differences, and how to make the most of them. By the end, you'll have the knowledge to take control of your finances and make money decisions with confidence. A checking account is your go-to hub for day-to-day financial transactions. Think of it as the workhorse of your finances. Here's how it helps you manage your money. Need to pay rent, buy groceries, or cover your morning coffee? A checking account allows you to access your money instantly using checks, debit cards, and online banking. Checking accounts are equipped for all your monthly obligations, from paying utility bills to setting up automatic payments for your streaming subscriptions. You can withdraw cash anytime through ATMs and make in-store or online purchases with your debit card. However, take note of potential monthly fees. Many banks charge maintenance fees unless you meet specific requirements, like maintaining a minimum balance or having direct deposits set up. To avoid unexpected costs, read your bank's policies closely and track your account regularly. Pro tip: if you plan to use your checking account for frequent transactions, look for one with minimal fees and features like overdraft protection to keep things running smoothly. Now imagine your savings account as your financial safety net. Its purpose is entirely different from that of a checking account. While a checking account is for spending, a savings account is for growing your money over time. Here's what makes it valuable. Most savings accounts offer interest, allowing your money to grow passively. While the rates may not seem high, the power of compounding can help your savings accumulate over time. Saving for a vacation, new car, or emergency fund, a savings account helps you safely set aside money without the temptation to spend it on everyday expenses. Unlike checking accounts, savings accounts typically come with withdrawal limits. This feature encourages disciplined saving and prevents impulsive spending. Consider this account your first step toward building financial security. Although the funds in your savings account may not be as accessible, the peace of mind you gain from knowing you have an emergency fund is priceless. While checking and savings accounts are both essential, they serve entirely different purposes. Here's a quick comparison to help you differentiate them. By using these accounts together, you get the best of both worlds. A checking account keeps your daily finances moving seamlessly, while a savings account helps you safeguard your future. Maximizing the benefits of both checking and savings accounts is simple, but it involves thoughtful planning. Follow these tips to get started. Make saving a habit by automating your finances. Most banks allow you to schedule regular transfers from your checking to your savings account. This way, you can grow your savings without thinking about it. Using tools like budgeting apps or spreadsheets, plan out your monthly income and expenses. This helps you better manage how much you can save while still covering everyday costs. Check in on your accounts frequently to review spending patterns and savings growth. Adjust as needed to ensure you're on track for your financial goals. Look for accounts that fit your lifestyle. For example, a no-fee checking account might work best for frequent transactions, while a high-yield savings account can give your money a boost over time. Small, consistent actions like these can make a big difference in your overall financial health. The key is to stay committed and adaptable. Banking is evolving at a rapid pace, with technology making it easier to manage finances than ever before. Features like mobile check deposits, contactless payments, and AI-driven financial advice are reshaping how we handle our money. For instance, you can now deposit a check from your phone, pay for items with the tap of a digital wallet, and get personalized spending insights from apps. The security of banking is enhancing too, thanks to innovations like biometric logins and real-time fraud detection. By adopting these tools, you can save time, make smarter money decisions, and stay ahead in the changing financial landscape. Financial literacy is the foundation of good money management. To build your knowledge, explore these trusted resources. FDIC, learn about bank safety, account types, and deposit insurance. CFPB, consumerfinance.gov, access guides on managing credit, dealing with loans, and safeguarding your financial rights. MyMoneyMoney.gov, discover helpful tools and resources for improving your personal finances. Financial apps, check out tools like Mint for budget tracking, Personal Capital for investment management, or your bank's app for real-time account insights. Knowledge is power. By tapping into these resources, you can deepen your understanding of money management and take charge of your financial future. Understanding the role of checking and savings accounts is a vital first step toward financial independence. These tools help you manage your everyday transactions, save for future goals, and prepare for life's uncertainties. Pair them with modern banking features and educational resources, and you'll be well on your way to building a secure and prosperous financial future. Start small, but start today. Review your accounts, create a budget, and set financial goals. The decision to take control of your money could be one of the most impactful steps you take for your future self. It's your financial destiny. Own it.